Standard is that we always make the first carbon in the upper right-hand corner. Okay, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4. So same thing as last time, really. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Off that fourth carbon, 2 methyl groups. Here we have 5, so we can put our carbon in there and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, and then on the fifth carbon, 2 groups.
Does the first carbon keep a hydroxyl, or does that?
Oh, sorry, yeah. Gotta put those on there too. Good call, thank you.
Good. Thanks.
All right, and then 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Not super symmetrical, but I got them in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Our hydroxyl group there, and on the third carbon, 2 methyl groups. And then 4, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Hydroxyl group, fourth carbon has 2 methyls. Okay.
Is there another methyl connected to the first carbon?
Oh, you're right. Yeah.
What's this?
On D, is there another methyl group attached to carbon 1?
Looks like it.
Oh, yeah, yeah. So there we go.
What's the stereochemistry on that then? Sure.
So we'll get into that.
Okay.
Right now, it doesn't matter, but at this point, it's not going to be flat. And when we do stereochemistry, we usually rotate the ring down, and then we determine if this, let's draw it here. Looking at this, this is an anomeric carbon. That's carbon number 1. We'll call it an anomeric carbon. If this hydroxyl group is axial, but down, then it's alpha. If it's up, then it's beta. Okay. So going to this, you could give it this, and then you could do this plus En. But for these sugars, because it could go either way, and it's just kind of flipping it, at this point, there's no stereochemistry.
Okay.
Good question, though. There is stereochemistry, but we're not concerned with it at this point. Okay, it's not going to be coming straight off of the ring, though. It will be coming either out this way or into the board. That hydroxyl group. And it kind of goes back, and the stereochemistry also is influenced by these enantiomers, right? So when we close these rings, depending on where they are, they're going to be up or down, but they're usually axial. They can be equatorial, but typically they're axial. Okay. And then we'll talk about how things can go from beta to alpha if the ring is opening and closing. All right, let's take a break.